Hello everyone, welcome back to Yog Thermal Guru. In today's video, we'll learn about one of the most basic and commonly used wiring methods in RTD sensors, the two-wire RTD connection. We'll understand how it works, where it's used, and its advantages and limitations in a simple and practical way. Let's begin. What is a two-wire RTD connection? A two-wire RTD connection is the simplest type of RTD wiring method. In this setup, only two wires are connected, one on each end of the RTD sensing element. These two wires carry both the excitation current and the voltage signal to the measuring device, such as a temperature transmitter or indicator. How it works? When temperature changes, the resistance of the RTD element changes too. The measuring instrument detects this change and converts it into a temperature value. But here's the key point: in a two-wire RTD, the lead wire resistance is also included in the total resistance. That means the system measures not just the RTD element resistance, but also the resistance of the connecting wires. Main limitation. This is the main limitation of a two-wire RTD connection. If your connecting wires are long or thin, their resistance can cause a noticeable measurement error. For example, even a small resistance in the wire can make your temperature reading a few degrees higher or lower than the actual value. When to use two-wire RTD? So, when should you use a two-wire RTD? It's best for short-distance applications where the sensor and measuring instrument are close to each other. Also, it's used where ultra-high accuracy is not required and cost needs to be low. You'll commonly find two-wire RTDs in HVAC systems, laboratory experiments, simple industrial or process monitoring setups. Advantages and disadvantages. Let's quickly summarize the pros and cons. Advantages: simple wiring, low cost, easy to install. Disadvantages: wire resistance adds error, not suitable for long distances, less accurate than 3-wire or 4-wire RTDs. Quick recap. So, the two-wire RTD is simple, cheap, and easy to use, but it's less accurate because of the extra wire resistance. That's why, for more precise measurements, industries often prefer 3-wire or 4-wire RTD connections, which we'll cover in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching Yog Thermal Guru. Now you know how a two-wire RTD connection works and where it's best used. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Yog Thermal Guru for more simple and practical videos on sensors and instrumentation.